Now your best friend, your worst enemy. So we'll eat and drink with you, yeah. Leave behind them so soon on you, yeah. Only your friend, know your secret. So don't be revealing who that got. Let them worry who that got peace. Let them worry. They send me for me corny. No need no call no foul. I be saying God. Some will hate you, but pretend they love you now. Get behind it, try to eliminate you. But who shall bless, come and curse? Thank God, past the worst. Hypocrites in parasites, Lord, will come up and take a bite. And if the night turn into day now, a lot of people who run away. So who done got feet? Let them pray. Who done got feet? Let them pray. I'm a simply Tommy Corn. Don't be no corn no foul. You say you cook. Cock. Say. So we'll take a date with you, yeah. And behind us we soup on you, yeah. Only a friend know your secret. So only could reveal it. So who done got feet? Let them wear it. Who done got feet? Let them wear it. It's if it won't be corn. Don't be no corn no foul. We say it cook. Cock. I'm saying cook. Cock. You say it 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 cook. You say it cook. You say it cook.